Hello, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the brand Linjer. And if you haven't heard of Linjer, they're a female-founded brand with an emphasis and a mission to empower women with luxe, sustainable jewelry that is also at a great price. All of their designs are just so simple, minimalist, and just exude elegance. But before we get into that full unboxing and review, be sure you take the time right now and subscribe. Also be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post. I post new videos every Thursday and Saturday. And yeah, let's get into the unboxing. So all of their jewelry does come with this little pouch, and I'm a huge fan of like the little pouches when like jewelry or shoes or purses come with little dust bag or something like that. I'm all about it. I think it's the best way to store these items, especially jewelry, so it kind of keeps it from tarnishing, I feel like. I'm not a scientist or expert to say that, but I just noticed that my jewelry stays nicer a lot longer when I do have these little bags to put it in. Also great for traveling. I am going on a trip soon and I definitely want to bring this jewelry with me. So yeah, love this little packaging. And then inside of it has the jewelry. So up first, we've got this little beaded bracelet, and I'll be sure to give you guys a little close-up of it here, and then me wearing it. It does have this little tie detail where you kind of like pull the two strings, and that is what tightens it. I don't know if you can see that. So yeah, you can see those two little strings would tighten it, so it gets it to the perfect size every time. I do have pretty small wrists, and this does tighten all the way to be at a good length for me, and there's definitely still a lot of room. So this is their Moonstone bracelet in gold vermeil, and you can see it has some moonstone beads on it as well as the gold beads, and their gold vermeil is different than just regular gold-plated jewelry. So their gold vermeil is made with sterling silver and then a very thick layer of 22 karat gold. So this is 5 times thicker than just regular gold-plated jewelry, which means it's going to last a lot longer than regular gold-plated jewelry and be a perfect choice for an everyday jewelry item. So you can see there are those little bitty gold balls on this bracelet, and again, I just love the very minimalist design on this. I think it's really elegant and really dainty, which honestly, that is my preferred style of jewelry. I love a good statement piece every now and then, but my everyday jewelry is really that simple, minimalist, light, dainty designs, and this definitely falls in that category. Again, I really do like the way that this opens and closes with just pulling on the little strings. I think that is really helpful for varying sized wrists. I know I always have trouble finding a bracelet that actually fits my wrist size, so I really love any sort of design where I can actually customize the size of it. And I feel like this pairs really well with other gold jewelry because it does have those little beads of gold in it, so you can really tie in the full look. I'm also somebody who likes to dabble in wearing gold and silver jewelry on top of each other, so I'm all about mixing the metals, and I think this would look really cute in a little stack with other bracelets. And yeah, so just out of the gate, first item is such a win and such a beautiful, delicate, minimalist style jewelry piece. And also really great quality. Alright, and so for these next few pieces, I will be honest, I have already unboxed and worn these. I wanted to do a little bit of a wear test for you guys just to see if the quality is really up to standards. And spoiler, all of these stayed so nice and such great quality, and I literally wore them like every day. So here are first the earrings that I got from Linjer. And again, they came in the same little baggie. And here they are. So these are so stunning. They're these little kind of gold leaf earrings with cubic zirconium. They are the gold vermeil, which again is that sterling silver with the thick layer of 22 karat gold. And I normally have really sensitive ears, and I was wearing these like all the time, and I did not see any sensitivity even compared to wearing my regular just solid gold earrings. Totally the same results, but also these were a lot more affordable than a solid gold earring. Although Linjer does have the option for solid gold pieces as well as silver, so you kind of have a lot of variety in what you want your jewelry pieces to look like. But these again are the gold vermeil, and I did actually get the matching ring for these earrings, and the ring is probably one of my favorite items from this haul. It is just so beautiful and so stunning, like such a beautiful piece. So I'm gonna show it to you guys right now. Let me get it back out of the little bag. Again, it came in its own little Linjer baggie. And then here is the ring. It is just so stunning. It's just so pretty. It's such a beautiful design, and I love how it has the matching earrings with it. So this is their open leaf ring Ada, and the earrings are the Selma. I'll be sure to link everything in my description, so if you want to shop these exact pieces, it'll be right down there for you to click. But yeah, so this set is so stunning. I love how thin this ring is also. Not to the point where I feel like it's low quality or it's gonna break on me, but it just is such a sleek design and really feels like nothing while you're wearing it. Some rings can be a little uncomfortable, like I really noticed that I'm wearing them on my fingers, and this one is so comfortable to wear, which is a huge plus because obviously if I'm gonna be wearing this as my everyday jewelry pieces, I don't want them to be uncomfortable. And yeah, this is a perfect everyday wear. I think it looks really cute. You can stack it because it is a little bit thinner of a ring. You can also just wear it on its own. I think it's really pretty and it's such a standout piece. Same with the earrings. They are really cute and dainty and delicate. If you have multiple piercings, I think this would look cute with some hoops or some studs, and you can really play it up that way. So yeah, this gold vermeil definitely passed the wear test. Like I said, I've been wearing these pieces a lot for like the past week and totally seeing no issues. They are still just as beautiful as when I first got them. And then the last item in this unboxing is another ring style, and this one is also in the gold vermeil. So I'll go ahead and open it up here. This is another of their open face ring style, which I just think is such a fun, trendy look and very different. And I feel like this open style definitely gives a little bit more dimension to your jewelry game. I like wearing a lot of rings, so having little delicate pieces like this I think really meld well together. And this one is so beautiful. So it has a little bit of the cubic zirconium kind of diamonds on the end of it, and it's a little bit more of a sharper design. I feel like the leaf ring is a little bit more whimsical and girly, and this is a little bit more modern, which is fun to kind of play with those different jewelry designs. Still very minimalist, very simple, very elegant. And both rings I am wearing in a size 4. I do have like pretty small fingers, so I tend to be on the smaller side of rings, and I feel like the size 4 was a perfect fit. It does fit both my pointer finger and my ring finger, and also my thumb. I don't know why those fingers are all the same size for me, but it is definitely a great way to get more bang for your buck if you do know that different fingers are the same size. So that was just really helpful for me. I like having the option to wear them on different fingers if I want to play up my jewelry looks. And yeah, again, the gold vermeil on this is such high quality. I really see no issues at all. It's not bothering or irritating my skin at all, and it is staying in such great condition, way more than just a simple gold-plated jewelry item. But also, if you do want to get that solid true gold, they do have the option for most of their pieces to be in a solid gold style. So if that's your thing, that option is out there. But yeah, so I really am loving this design. I think it is so cute, so elegant, and a perfect addition to my everyday jewelry. All right, gotta stack up the jewelry for the outro here. We're gonna see everything all together at once. Alright, so here is everything on. the earrings, the rings, the bracelet, and yeah, in conclusion, I have been so impressed by this jewelry. It is such high quality and literally stunning. Like, come on, it's so pretty. I love it as my everyday jewelry. It's not too statement-y that I can't wear it every day, and I think it just gives a little bit of elegance to your look, and you look a little bit more put together, I feel like, when you do accessorize your looks. Also, all of this jewelry is very minimalist, very simple in design. I think it does go really well with any other jewelry items that you already have in your collection. I also currently have been really into mixing the golds and silvers and just, you know, not following any rules anymore. I guess a jewelry rebel, if you will. But no, I think it's really fun to mix metals. So if you feel like you only have silver jewelry and you cannot possibly incorporate gold, that is just a myth, that is a lie. Although Linjer does have some silver pieces, some solid gold pieces, and this gold for May. So a lot of options if you're more of a silver girly, which low-key, I feel like so many brands really sleep on the silver and white gold world. I like how Linjer does have those options where you can get a silver jewelry item that is really cute and stylish. But yes, as always, I will link everything that I'm wearing today in my description down below. I'll also link their website where you can shop their items for yourself. They have so much more that I wasn't even able to show in this video, so definitely check out their site. And while you're there, do not worry, I do have a discount code for you guys. If you use my code TARA20, you will save 20%. But yeah, so overall, an incredible brand focusing on sustainability, female founded, and just produces really quality, beautiful jewelry. If you enjoyed this video, a little unboxing, review, a little focus on jewelry, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, give it a like, share it with your friends, spread the word of this amazing brand. Be sure to leave a comment down below which item was your favorite, which piece of jewelry do you like the best. Also, are you more of a silver or a gold person? I'm curious to see what you guys think. Like I said, I've been really into mixing the gold and silver. I used to be like a silver only person, but I've incorporated some more gold into my life and I am loving it. So curious to what you guys prefer. But yeah, if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one.